Good morning everyone, this is Crazy Sticky Magnet Club here. Just come out for to a bridge today, doing a bit of magnet fishing. Nothing. But as soon as we get something we'll get back.
Little update. Can't do it if we can get it off. Tony skateboard. Some metal discs. Top of a can. Oh my god. And an iron bar. Find anything else to get back to you. See you in a bit. I'm back, it's Wayne. Crazy Sticky Magnet Club. Next thing we pull out is that.
It's okay.
Carry on now.
Yeah, I'll put you on. There you go.
Bring it a bit close to the camera. Nice lure. Loads and loads of fishing line. So at least it's out of the water and it ain't getting roughed out any dock or swans' necks or cause a lot of harm to them. So as you can see, got my Magnetar hat on. Go and check out their magnets, they are really good magnets. Have a look on my YouTube channel or Facebook page and use the code Crazy Sticky Magnet 10. Get you 10% off as well. See you in a bit.
There you go.
And I'm back. Just bring your bike seat. Nice left of it. Get anything else, get back to you.
Don't make them like that anymore, do they?
Do they? I need that for mine.
And me.
Right, get back to you. See you in a bit. Hello, this is Wayne, Crazy Sticky Magnet Club. As you can see, we're on our way now, we're going. We've left the bridge, absolutely mint clean. As you can see. So no, we never pulled out much anyway, so I threw it in my boot. It's got a little bit more to take up, back up to my car. And that's the main things we got today. An old skateboard, a spoon, a nice lure. I really do like that actually. And I did find a pair of scissors, but I think I'll put them in the car with you to do a junk. So yeah, that's where it was. There's a bridge if you want to go and check yourself. Winterley Bridge. So yeah, see you soon. We're off to the next bridge. Okay, just got to our next bridge. Don't seem to be much. You can see to the bottom already. Don't look like there's much here. But I'll give it a go. Worth a little go anyway. You never know what's down under there, do you? Okay, see you in a bit. So, pulled out a little, I don't know what they're called, carabiner or old carbon or whatever they're called. A hook.
Let's hope it's a sign of things to come. Bit of live action here. Something heavy. What is it? What's the blinking out of
Dude.
Hey, what's that?
Somebody's homemade grapple by the looks of it.
That's fab.
That is mad, that isn't it?
I bet someone's dropped something in here and gone looking for it. What do you reckon?
Looks that way, though. It's like to find Freddy Krueger's hand. Yes.
Okay.
I really like that.
And me.
That is fantastic. Taking that over me.
Don't blame you.
Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, but it looks like someone's made a homemade grapple. Can't find something. So there might be something in here afterwards. somebody seems to be wanting to find something.
Mm.
And a long piece of cable. All this rubber sugar in that bag over there. But yeah. Kind of. That is so unusual.
Yeah, I think so, isn't it?
What was that?
There's something else on that. It's like a jack.
Here's an old car jack. An old car jack. And slime and mud.
Ooh, lovely.
Well, place it over here to the strap maker. And what else is there? Oh, piece of, I don't know, something else. Magnetic stone. And a 2p piece.
Hey.
No, 2 pence from my trouble.
There you
Pair of knuckle dusters.
go.
They are knuckle dusters, aren't they?
Yeah. That's craziness.
Where you need to go.
Good find.
Yeah. Can't get my fingers through needles though. It's in the palm of the hand now. That's I know. Not sort of find a lot of that. They're knuckle dusters.
Some
It's a
good
lot.
finds. What else did you get?
A padlock.
It's a big chunky one.
Pretty big chunk padlock. There you go. That's what I can get next time.
Yep.
I'll put this fridge. Next find, a pair of wire strippers. Did you know something? They don't look all that old at all.
Oh, they're good.
Hey, they ain't been in there long, believe me. That's it, I can use them at home. Put pencil how much up. Yeah. Hey, tell that with me.
Yep.
You need ringing it.
Oh, yeah, it looks like it.
Next thing, how's an e-ring? Chop can. Got the board lock.
It's a big one.
And a fan stand.
You.
Oh, it just grounded me.
Yee.
Get back to you in a minute.
There you go.
Kid stabiliser for a bike. And a big piece of... I know what it is.
What is it, miss?
It's a piece of trampoline.
Ah! But
It's a
yes,
piece
it
of
is.
trampoline.
Ah, put that in with the rubbish, that's cool.
Yeah. That's it. We've
We've
just...
had some other little finds as well, haven't we? Look me. Oh, it's all right. Found a saucepan, a strimmer, and this tin.
Oh, it's glass.
Is that glass?
Yeah, it came out stuck in the saucepan.
Oh, it was stuck to the saucepan. As you can see, it looks like it's off the top of a
Stuck to
bucket.
stuck to that tin frying pan. How, I don't know, but there you go.
It's got a cow on it. Clean that up when we get home, see how it comes out. Put it in the garden. Honey.
It's like a part of an old bike rack.
Oh, yeah.
We'll go over on there. If you're Scotland. A fork. That'll go with the saucepan.
Yeah. Dinner. Oh, a knife.
A knife. That'll go in the amnesty box. I thought I found some pennies in there. It's just bits of... looks like a part of a, I don't know, bird cage or something. There's one there. Bits of weed and, hang on, is that shotgun cartridge?
Is it?
I think so. Yeah, it is. Shotgun cartridge.
Ah, cool.
And 5p.
We'll get rich. We'll get rich.
One way or another. Shotgun cartridge, yeah. I've done that to the place, huh?
An air on cartridge.
Yeah, you do.
Do ya?
Yeah, it's a cartridge. It's an old cartridge, yeah.
It's not live though,
It is. 7-inch shot.
hasn't it?
No.
I'm not taking that home with me. Leave that here.
Take it home from the police. Send you a cartridge, what you said.
Yeah.
See you in a minute.
Seen him home? Mystery bag.
Sure, sort of stuff in it. No, it's like a kettle ring.
You can find a computer.
Sort of storage. Some more storage. Oh, a little bit of kettle. Kettle ring. Radio sockets. Radio socket. Plug. That's a different chopped off radio sockets.
Strange, isn't
How
it?
strange is that, eh? Back of a plug. Another back. There's one. That is just weird. Another piece off a kettle. Oh, that might explain it.
What is it?
A drug spoon.
Why
God, you'd have to have something like that, wouldn't you?
would they want a drug?
Yeah. It's just broken.
I know it stinks.
It absolutely reeks. It's broken USB. Another piece of broken. That is just weird. Another one, another one. Whole bag full. There you go.
How strange.
Don't know what that is, but there you go, have a look. Weird. Don't worry, I'll clean all this up.
Okay. Ah. That's pretty good, isn't it? Ah.
Kiddie scooter. Shame really, it's enough to get through the scrap.
It is, isn't it?
It all works. Been in there for quite a bit, but it works. Good rider. Shame really, it's gonna be in the scrap. There you go.
How is that?
And the bag stuck to it as well.
It's in the bag, isn't it?
What's that?
You don't pull it.
Lift it in.
Is that video going on YouTube?
Yeah. Gonna say hello, lads?
Hmm?
Gonna say hello?
Yeah.
Wave! There you go. All ready for the scrap man to come and collect. Just cleaning up now. You can see. Just started. That's us now. And we're not sure. We might go to another bridge. We might not, depending on the thrower.
Yeah, I might get to another
Yeah, give it enough.
Yeah.
Come on then, let's do this. Yeah. Get back soon.